Good morning to all. Welcome to the virtual class of computer of class 8th. Today we are going to start lesson number 1, part number 3, that is, let us explore computer network. Now starts types of network. There are three types of network. First is LAN, second is MAN, and third is WAN. LAN, local area networks. LAN is a computer network covering a small area like a home, office, or a group of buildings such as a school or a college. It can consist of personal computer and a printer, or it can connect several computers together. All the connected devices share information with each other. A LAN is limited in size, typically spanning a few hundred meters. It is usually fast, with speed from 10 Mbps to 10 Gbps. It can be wired or wireless. Second is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. A MAN is a computer network covering a large area like a campus, corporate offices, or a city. It also used as the interconnection of several local networks. It is a high-speed network and allow sharing of multiple resources. Examples of MAN: telephone companies network that provides a high-speed DSL to customers, and cable TV network, branches of a nationalized bank in several cities connected together. Third is WAN, wide area networks. A WAN connects LAN and MAN together. It covers a large geographical area. This network may be located throughout a country or even around the world. It may transmit data over high-speed phone lines or wireless links such as satellite. Internet and ATM facility are the examples of WANs. Internet. Internet is a global network connecting millions of computers. It often referred to as a network of networks or the World Wide Web. We can send text messages, images, videos, and audios to our friends living in any part of the world using WhatsApp or electronic mail. We can search for any information on the internet. Next is type of internet service. First is dial-up connection. This is generally the lowest type of internet connection. It uses the phone line, thus landline, and the internet cannot be used at the same time. Second is DSL. DSL service uses a broadband connection, which makes it much faster than dial-up. We can use the internet and phone line at the same time. Third is cable. Cable service connects to the internet via cable TV. It uses a broadband connection and can be faster than both dial-up and DSL service. Fourth is satellite. A satellite connection also uses broadband but does not require cable or phone lines. It connects to the internet through the man-made satellite orbiting the Earth. It can be used almost anywhere in the world, but the connection may be affected by weather patterns. Satellite connections are also usually slower than DSL or cable. Fifth is 3G and 4G. 3G and 4G service is most commonly used with mobile phones, and it connects wirelessly through the ISP networks. However, these type of connections are not always as fast as DSL or cable. Thank you.